Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be discussing about a very interesting topic, that is claustrophobia. So if you are suffering from claustrophobia, then this video is definitely for you. So watch this video till end for more knowledge. In this video, I will be discussing about the treatment for claustrophobia, in which I will be talking about the homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the treatment of claustrophobia. So let's talk about it. So, first of all, I would like to explain what exactly is the meaning of claustrophobia. So, let's talk about it. So, claustrophobia is basically a type of situational phobia, which is triggered by intense fear of small places, crowded places, or narrow streets. When triggered, phobia can lead to panic attacks. And claustrophobia is triggered in situations like being stuck in a crowded elevator, driving on a congested highway, and next being stuck in a windowless room. Okay, so these are the triggering factors for claustrophobia. So this is the exact meaning of claustrophobia. I hope this is clear to you guys. Now next we'll talk about the clinical features, that is what are the signs and the symptoms of claustrophobia. So let's talk about it. So, first and the foremost sign for claustrophobia is sweating. Sweating with trembling, and along with sweating and trembling, there will be hot flashes. And the next is dyspnea, means shortness of the breath. Next symptom will be hyperventilation. There will be nausea. There will be there will be tightness in the chest accompanied with pain. There can be hyperventilation, tachycardia, means increased heart rate, and the patient can feel confused, lightheadedness. So these are some symptoms which one can experience, okay, if they have claustrophobia. So this was all about the clinical features of claustrophobia. Now next we will talk about the etiology. That is, what are the basic causes which are responsible for claustrophobia? Okay, so let's talk about it. What are the causes which are responsible for claustrophobia? Okay, so claustrophobia could be related to the dysfunctioning of the amygdala. Now, what is amygdala? So, amygdala is basically a part of the brain which is responsible for processing fear. When there is dysfunctioning of amygdala, then claustrophobia can be felt. Being punished by being locked in a closed small room. Okay. Next cause can be being stuck in a small room like closet. Another cause can be being stuck in a crowded elevator. And another cause can be being stuck in a windowless room. So these are the causes which are responsible for claustrophobia. Okay, now next, very important part of this video, that is homeopathic treatment. So let's talk about the homeopathic treatment for claustrophobia. Okay, so there is an extensive list of the homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the treatment of claustrophobia, and it is very essential for the homeopathic doctor to the details take down the details and note down the origin of the cases before prescribing the medicine for claustrophobic patient. Okay, and it's very important to know the time period for which the medicine need to be used, and the recovery, it depends upon the duration, intensity, and frequency of the complaints. Okay, now we will talk about the homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the treatment of claustrophobia. So first and the foremost medicine we have is aconite napellus. So let's talk about this homeopathic medicine. So aconite napellus is a very excellent homeopathic medicine, and this medicine can be used in the cases of acute panic attacks in the claustrophobic persons. This medicine is needed when the patient have a fear of small spaces, closed rooms and narrow streets. In the aconite patient, along with that, palpitation will be there and the patient can feel collapsed. So this is the first homeopathic medicine, that is aconite. Now next medicine for the claustrophobia we have is argentum nitricum. Okay, so let's talk about it. So argentum nitricum is an excellent choice for anticipatory anxiety in the claustrophobic person. In the person who are needing this homeopathic medicine, that is argentum nitricum, anxiety is triggered by thinking about closed rooms, closed small spaces, okay, narrow streets. So this was all about the second medicine. So this medicine work well in the cases where there is a fear of closed rooms. There is a fear of closed rooms and feeling of being suffocated. When the person is taking this medicine, so they have the ability to open the closed rooms. Now, our fourth medicine for the claustrophobia is arsenic album. So, arsenic album is a very wonderful medicine for the claustrophobic patients. Now, what are the symptoms for which this medicine can be prescribed? So, they are feeling too much anxiety, too much fear, and too much restlessness. Okay. Now, our last medicine for now our last this medicine is used for the persons who cannot wear the tight clothing, tight collars, or tight bands around their neck. Why around their neck? Because they have the fear of being suffocated. Okay, so this is our last medicine for the claustrophobia, that is Lachesis muta. So this was all about the homeopathic medicines which has been successfully used for the treatment of claustrophobia. Now let's talk about the management part. How one can manage if they are facing such situations. If they are being stuck in a closed room, in a closed elevator, or in a windowless room, or in a small space, or in a narrow street, they are stuck. So, what they can do? So, let's talk about the tips for managing claustrophobia. So, first and the foremost tip I would like to discuss with you is just take a deep breath. Just take a breath slowly and deeply. And while you are doing this, counting for three along with each breath. Secondly, what you can do, just imagine and focus on the moments or the places which can bring you calm. Okay. And next step, these are the management tips which you can apply if you are facing such situations. Okay. So that's all for today. And so that's all for today. And if you are suffering from claustrophobia or any other kind of illness, so you can contact us. On the screen, you can see how you can contact us for online consultation. So that's all for today. Connected with us for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. And yes, press the bell icon for more updates. Stay safe and stay healthy. And yes, thanks for watching this video.